Heavenly Father, I pray for the safety and protection of my family and friends. Surround them with your loving care and shield them from harm and danger. God of peace, I pray that you bring harmony and unity to my family and friends. Let there be love, understanding, and forgiveness in all their relationships. Lord, bless my family and friends with financial prosperity and abundance. Provide for their needs and help them achieve their goals and dreams. Merciful God, I pray for the salvation of my family and friends. Draw them closer to you and let them experience the joy of your salvation. God, I pray that you bless my family and friends. Grant them your strength and courage. May they fear nothing and never look down on themselves. Father, I pray for my loved ones. Heal those that are sick today. Give strength to those that are weak and hope to the hopeless. May you give them many reasons to smile. Lord, this morning bless my family and friends with great health, joy, peace, protection, prosperity, and purpose. Draw them closer to you and their calling. May they discover their purpose in life.